What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Tamia Lachey, and I'm back with another video. Now, I know I haven't been posting. I'm gonna try to, your girl finna go off to college, so I'm gonna try to be doing all this stuff. But today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to crochet a ruffle hat. I'm gonna put a picture in for y'all for a little second. But without further ado, I ain't finna keep y'all long. Just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave it down below in the freaking comments, and I'll respond to it. Alright guys, so first things first, you're gonna need a 5mm hook. I just suggest you don't go over a 6 when you're doing the hooks. Depending on what yarn you use, have a stitch marker right there. Also, I have hand sanitizer so you can keep those hands clean. Always sanitize your area and your hands before you start on the project. That's just me. So this is your magic circle. You're going to cross over, insert the hook, and pull the other yarn through. Now here you're going to chain 3. So I got my first one. Y'all see I'm gonna be struggling a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. Then we're going to come over 2, 3. So now that we've chained 3, we're going to have 10 more double crochets in the magic circle, and that one counts as your first one. So when you end it, you should have 11. All right, so now I'm going to teach y'all how to do a double crochet. So you're going to yarn over. I'm adjusting the camera for y'all so y'all can see, and you're going to put it through that stitch. You're going to yarn over. You're going to pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the rest of them. So that's your first double crochet. I'm going to show y'all how to do it again. So you're going to yarn over. You're going to go through that magic circle. You're going to yarn over, go through the first one, yarn over, pull 2 loops, yarn over, pull the other 2 loops. So now you're going to do 8 more around the magic circle, and you should have 11 at the end. Now you're just going to pull that string so you can tighten up the magic circle, and you're going to make a slip stitch. I'm going to zoom in so I can show y'all how to do that. So where we chain 3 at the top, you're going to put your hook through that loop. I'm sorry guys. And you're going to yarn over, pull it through that stitch, and pull it through the loop. Then you're going to chain 3. So you're going to yarn over 1, yarn over 2, yarn over 3. And then we're going to put 2 double crochets in each stitch. So since that already counts as a double crochet, we're going to put an actual double crochet into the same stitch. So that's going to count as 2 double crochets in one stitch. And what you're going to do is put 2 double crochets in the other ones. So now I have 20 double crochets. So we're going to put that hook into that first stitch. We're going to yarn over and pull it through the stitch. Now it might be difficult, then pull it through the loop. So we're going to chain 3 more. So you're going to yarn over. I don't know what I was talking about in this video, y'all, but you're going to yarn over, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put 1 double crochet until the same stitch. And the only difference is you're going to put 1 double crochet into the next stitch. And you're going to put 2 into the next stitch after that. So I don't know if I was going too fast, but I will slow it down for y'all so y'all can see it. So let's see if you get the gist of it. This is where we started by our increasing. So you see I'm adjusting the camera. So you're going to yarn over. And you're going to place 1 double crochet into 1 stitch, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into another stitch. You know, just it's a pattern, so it keeps going on. Now we're going to do the slip stitch. So you're going to put it in that first stitch. And yes, sometimes I do be struggling, y'all. I don't know how you folks do it, but you're going to put it through that stitch. You're going to yarn over and pull both through the loop. Now we're starting the process over again. You're going to chain 3. You're going to put 1 double crochet in the same stitch. And I forgot to tell y'all, at the end of every row you should always have 1 double crochet, because your first stitch counts as 2 double crochets in the same stitch. So now we're going to put 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 2 double crochets in the same stitch, and the pattern is going to keep on going on and on and on until you get to like the top of the rim for your hat. And I'm going to show y'all how to curve it in so it can start looking like a hat. Like I said, I didn't want to make the tutorial too long. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed up this process for y'all. If it's too fast, y'all can slow it down and do playback speed. So this is what it looks like now. Now, I'm not going to lie to y'all because I'm an honest person. I ended up taking a row off of this because it was too big for the top of my head, because, you know, yarn stretches and everything. So make sure you make the head part not too like the exact size, but like a size down from your head size. And we're going to start with this part where we're going to chain 3. And we're going to put a double crochet into each stitch for about, I want to say 5 rows. It depends on how long your head is, but I'm going to say about 5 rows. I'm going to show y'all what the first row ends up looking like, but I'm going to show y'all an example for a double crochet just in case y'all didn't catch on. So you're going to yarn over. You're going to insert your hook. Yarn over, pull through, pull 2, and pull 2 more. And you're going to do that all the way around for about 5 rows, I believe. 4 or 5 rows, it depends. I took it down because I put it in the wrong stitch, but that's fine. And I'm going to show y'all what the first row look like when I'm done. So now that I'm at the end of this, you see how it's bending in. We're going to, I'm trying to get, y'all, this part is really hard, but I'm trying to get this part to go inside. So 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna do the same thing that we were doing, and we're going to double crochet in each stitch, and we're gonna go around again, and I will start the video back up once I get done with this row. So this is more like of a raw clip. So if you're like me and you saw what I saw in the video, it was kind of big. So what I did was I took all the single double crochets out that makes the head, you know, turn, and I took one row off and I started over with the double crochets, one in each stitch. It looks small now, but we gonna add like 2 or 3 more rows to this. I believe like 3 more rows, and I'm gonna show y'all what to do after this. So this is how I check to see if it fits around my head. So it looks like we're gonna add 1 more row of double crochets for the freaking hat. Oops, y'all. For the hat, then we're going to single crochet around. You single crochet around twice if you want it to be real secure on your head, but I'm not gonna do all that because I don't care. But we're gonna I'm gonna single crochet 1 time around the head, but let me do these double crochets and I'm gonna teach y'all how to do that. So this is the next part. So this fits around my head, y'all. So this is just the part to tighten it up. So you're going to chain 1. You're going to go into that same slip stitch right here, and you're gonna yarn over, pull through, oops, over and pull through, then here, then pull through like this. Then next you go into this one, over, pull through, and pull through. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can see it more better and more clear. So let me make sure. So we're going to insert it in the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull both of them through, into the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, into the chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And you're gonna do that all around here, and I'm gonna stay on camera with it so y'all can see it. So right here I'm taking my stitch marker out. Y'all, I think that was the last part I did. So yeah, I ended up taking my stitch marker out, and the first place where you put in your single crochet, that's where you're going to insert the hook, yarn over, and pull it through, and I will show you guys that in the video. So y'all, for this specific hat, I did not want it wavy, so you're just gonna chain 3, and so the more wavy you want it to be, the more double crochets you put into each stitch. Now with this, I'm only putting 3 in. Those first 3 chains are gonna count as your first double crochet, and you're gonna put 2 more into that stitch, and you're gonna work your way around and do that. Now like I said, if you want it to be more wavy, I suggest you put about 4 or 5 double crochets into the stitch so it can be more wavy. So now I'm at the end of the row and you see my stitch marker here. I'm going to take that stitch marker out and put it where I first put my double crochet, which were the 3 chains I did. Now it was kind of difficult for me to get my hook through here, so I kind of skipped through the clip, but I eventually got it up in there. You see, at first I'm struggling, but I eventually got up in there. And yeah, and I yarned over and I made a slip stitch, and I'm gonna chain 3 more in this video, and you're gonna just do double crochets around, and after that you just do single crochets around. And yeah, I'll show y'all at the end of the video what the hat looks like, because I didn't record all of it. Like I said, this is my first tutorial on crocheting, so please bear with me, y'all. So y'all, this is the end part because I ended up recording the next day. You're gonna put it into the first part you started it, and I'm on the phone, so that's why I had to mute it. And you're gonna pull through both loops, chain 1, and you gonna cut it and just pull it through. Get the little needles and you tuck it in. Now I kind of struggle with this, so I'm gonna let y'all know when I get the yarn in so I can show y'all how I did it. So you see, your girl got the freaking yarn through, y'all. So what I like to do, let me try to explain it. I put it through the loops, like under the loops, but basically the part that's under the loops where you crochet it, and I put it through a whole bunch of them holes until it like fill up the whole needle, and I basically pull it through when I feel like it's enough holes that's through there. I don't know if this is how y'all supposed to do it, but this is how I do it. And when I pull it through and it's still some yarn, I just cut it, because why not? See all the extra yarn, I pull it through like that and I just cut it. And that's basically it. I don't think I did an outro, but I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If y'all did, please let me know. If y'all have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. This hat does look different from the one I did in the beginning, because I put 3 double crochets instead of 5 double crochets, just because I wanted that loose wave. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video.